Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the site. Create a full backup and enable debugging because you need safe rollback and error visibility. Next, log into WordPress and navigate to Appearance Right Arrow Theme File Editor or connect with FTP/SFTP and locate header. PHP in your active theme. Once done, inspect the top lines for misplaced HTML, duplicate head tags, or missing WP head calls. Make sure to keep a local copy before editing, so you can restore instantly if something breaks. You now diagnose the header. Open header. PHP and look for duplicate head sections, missing WP head, or broken PHP echo statements that output headers. If you see unclosed tags or stray scripts, fix them by closing elements and escaping output. Once done, test by disabling plugins and switching temporarily to a default theme to isolate the issue. If the header comes from a template part, replace it with the parent theme copy or a known clean template and retest to verify the fix. You finish by saving changes and clearing all caches, browser cache, any WP caching plugin, and CDN caches, because stale files often hide fixes. Then check header output across desktop and mobile, confirm meta tags and canonical links are present, and use ViewSource to ensure proper order. If you still see errors, revert to the backup you made earlier, enable WP debug to capture errors, and review the error log to pinpoint the exact line to repair before reapplying edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.